Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off keyboard typing sound on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now go to system sounds. And here you will see a Samsung keyboard button. So to turn off Samsung keyboard typing sound, turn off this Samsung keyboard button. And after turning off this button, your keyboard will not make any sound. So that's how you can turn off keyboard typing sound on Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.